Good evening, everyone. My name is Julie, and tonight I'm gonna teach you how to solve x when it is in exponential form. But then, I'm going to teach you first how to solve x using this equation. 3 plus x equals 5. So, in finding the x, we're gonna have to copy the x and then substitute or transfer the 3 on the other side. So 5 and then change the sign of positive 3 into negative 3. So the equation is now x equals 5 minus 3. X would now be 2 since 5 minus 3 is 2. Let's see if it is right. Checking. 3 plus substitute the value of x into 2 and then 5. So 3 plus 2 would be 5. So we have correct answer. Say for instance, it is in the exponent form. 3 raised to x equals 5. So we're gonna use the log or logarithm. So we need first to transfer it on this side. So x, then log of 3 is equal to log of 5. And then we have here the x. In order for us to remain x, we have to cancel the side to log of 3 since it is the partner of x. Then what we did on this side, we'll also be going to do on the other side. So we have to divide it by log of 3. And then cancel the log so that x will be the one remain. So x, copy it. And then log of 5 divided to log of 3. The answer would be x is equal to 1.465. So let's do the checking. If our answer, or we're going to check if we are in the right track. So 3 raised to 1.465. So let's do the calculation. The answer is 5.000146. So since we have here the 5, so it's almost near the answer. Close the answer. So the answer is correct. Next one is, so there are some rules that we are not going to use the logarithm. Say for instance, we have here this equation. 4 raised to x plus 2 is equal to 8 raised to 3x minus 1. So why? Why we don't have to use log? Because 4 and 8 uses or share the common factor, which is 2. So how many 2 are we going to use in order to get 4? So we have to use 2 times. Okay? Then open and close parentheses, copy the exponent x plus 2. Then again, how many 2 are going to use in order to get that 8? So we have 2 raised to 3. Then copy the exponent 3x minus 1. So the next thing we are going to do is to multiply the number inside on the number outside, or the exponent. So 2 raised to 2 times x would be 2x. Then 2 times positive 2 plus 4. The next 2. Then 3 times 3x would be 9x. Then 3 times negative 1 would be negative 3. So next one, we don't need to copy the 2 since they are equal to 1. Okay, because they are the same. So let's put the exponent 2x plus 4. And then the other side, the 9x minus 3. Next one, we're going to solve for the value of x. But then, there are 2x there, which is on 2x and then the 9x. So we're going to do now is to divide or subtract, okay, so that we are going to cancel the 2x by negative 2x since this one is positive. So what we are going to do here will also be going the other side. So we have to subtract it by 2x. Then, subtract 2x, positive 2x minus 2x. Then, since they have different sign, so we have to cancel it out. Then, 9 minus 2x would be 7x. And copy also the equal sign. Then, there is 4 and then there is 3. We have to, in order for us to cancel the negative 3, we have to add it by 3. So, what we are going to do here will also be done here. So, last 3. Okay? 4 plus 3 would be 7. But then, negative 3 plus 3, cancel it out. So, now, we have 7 is equal to 7x. But then, there is already x here. So, we have to cancel 7 so that x will be the one remain. And since our rule, what we have done on the other side will also be done on the other side. 7. So we all know that 7 divided 7 will be equals to 1. So x is equal to 1. Let's check our answer. 4 raised to 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 times 1 minus 1. 4 raised to 1 plus 2 was to 3. And then 8 raised to 3 times 1, 3 minus 1, which is 2. So calculating it, 4 raised to 3 will be 64. And then 8 raised to 2, is also 64. So we are in the right track, which is 64 is equal to 64. So, I hope you guys understand my topic. Solving x using the logarithm when